Just yesterday, the Michigan Court of Appeals released an opinion in People v. Latz. It was a case that I argued November 1st at the Court of Appeals. And in that case, they held that Michigan medical marijuana patients who comply with Section 4 or Section 8 of the Act are immune from prosecution of the improper transport statute. The improper transport statute, which is 75474, it criminalized transporting usable marijuana unless it was in a case and in the trunk of the vehicle or in an area of the vehicle that was inaccessible from the passenger compartment. That crime was a 93-day misdemeanor, and I think thousands of patients throughout the state of Michigan have been prosecuted of that charge and have faced anywhere from fines, probation, or jail. And fortunately now, though patients are immune from prosecution, and I think this was a big step for medical marijuana patients throughout the state, that they now are immune from a crime that the legislature created to further regulate the Medical Marijuana Act. Although the Court of Appeals did not address the constitutional arguments that I presented, they did grant immunity under Section 4 and 8. And although I'm a little disappointed they didn't grant the constitutional arguments, the reason was because they already decided my client was immune from prosecution. But had they granted the constitutional arguments, I think that would have made it easier for people with convictions on their record in the past to get those removed. Although I do think the Act, with the immunity in Section 4 and 8, does provide avenues for those that have entered pleas within the last 6 months to withdraw those pleas because they now have a defense to the charge. And I think there may be arguments to be made that others could also seek to have their cases reopened and have the charges dismissed. So if you know anybody out there that had been charged with improper transport or has a pending case or accepted a plea within the last 6 months, you should have them talk to an attorney and have and discuss their case and see if there may be a way to get that charge removed. I'm the Michigan Cannabis Defender, and you can check me out on Facebook, Mass Roots, Twitter, Instagram, and all of those things. And that's a good way to keep up to date with other developments that we might see with the Medical Marijuana Act.